Hello guys, how are you doing? I am Daddy the guitarist, a singer, songwriter and a composer. Today I'm going to show you how to play Vunja Mifupa by Samba Mapangala. Alright, so I'm going to show you the intro, the first part, the intro, and then you can go check the full tutorial on my YouTube. Okay guys, so this is how you play the first part of this song, the intro, the first part that goes like this. Okay, so this is how we do this. This is how you do this part. This is how you do this. This is how you do this part. Okay guys, as always, come to the shape 7, key of E, shape 7, key of E. I want you to play a key of E, shape 7, with a power chord. Power chord, when I say power chord, I mean the pinky finger is on your 5th string. Right. If you don't know how to play a shape 7, again, there is a tutorial I've done about shapes on YouTube, but still I can still show you. So shapes, this is how you play shape 7, key of E with a power chord. Take your first finger, place it on the 4th fret, play string 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a second finger, place it on the 2nd string, 5th fret. Take your third finger, place it on the 4th string, 6th fret, 7th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 5th string. Place your pinky finger there. Put your pinky finger there, and then play all the bottom 5 strings. You have your shape 7. You have your E power chord. Okay. All right. Now step 1, I want you to play it like this. I want you to start from the E note. I want you to play this thing like this. Play in fret number 7. Fret number 7. Play the E note. Fret number 7. Play the E note. And then fret number 6. Play the A sharp note. So you have. And then fret number 4. Play string number 3. Play string number 3. That's a B note. Fret number 6. Play string number 3. That's a D sharp note or a C sharp note. And then back to fret number 7. Play 4th string, the A note. So you have now release it and finish with string number 3, fret number 4. So you have and then after doing that, remember how to play the key of E shape 7. Place this finger on the 4th fret, and then I want you to play string number 2. I want you to play the G sharp note, string number 2, 7th fret. This note, G sharp. So after doing like that, and then repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing, but now don't finish with the E note like this. First step, second step, and then 1, 2, 3. 7th fret, 1, 2, 3. So that is how you play that first part. So when you add everything together now, uta mifupa kama bado meno iko, you see? That is how you play that part. So for the rest of the tutorial, you can check me out on YouTube, and then always check your description there. I've already put that rhythm, that backing track, I've already put it there so that you can download it and then use it when you're playing your solos. Okay, bye bye guys.